Hello students, I hope every one of you are doing fine. Today we are going to learn on a new topic that is Sound, Unit 4. Children, when you hear the word sound, what comes to your mind? A variety of things such as music, the school bell, traffic noise, your teacher's voice, and so on are some of the things one can commonly think of. All these come under the category of sound. We hear it around us all the time. We use sound in many different ways. Let us look and analyze some of the common ways in which we use sound. First, we use it for communicating with each other. Next is for enjoyment and relaxation, for entertainment and information, to be reminded of something, and many more. Sound travels through materials. Objects that produce sound are called sources of sound. The primary means by which we communicate with each other is through speaking. This is done through a combination of sounds. Even when we speak to each other on the phone or listen to the radio or television, it is a sound someone or something is making that is communicating to us. Have you ever placed your palm on the speaker of a music system when it was playing, or touched your throat while speaking? What did you feel? You feel a vibration. A vibration can be defined as a rapid back and forth movement of a body about a central position. A sound is produced because of a vibration. Thus, sound is a vibration that is capable of being heard. Sound travels through different materials. Sound waves need to travel through a medium such as solids, liquids, and gases. The sound waves move through each of these mediums by vibrating the molecules in the matter. This enables sound to travel much faster through a solid than a gas. Sound travels about 4 times faster and farther in water than it does in air. How sound travels. Have you ever thrown pebbles in a pool of water? The impact of pebbles in water creates ripples of waves that spread in the pool. Vibrations cause waves in the air in the same way. We hear the sound when these waves reach our ears. Sound travels in mechanical waves. A mechanical wave is a disturbance that moves and transports energy from one place to another through a medium. In sound, the disturbance is a vibrating object. That means a sound can travel through solid, liquid, and gas. So class, that is the end of the topic of this lesson. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.